Rick and Sherry, we're back with your little T-Rex, we call her, because yeah, she's definitely got some aggressive tendencies, but I don't want you to worry about that. We're going to get that all worked out. We've got our sound box coming back, but until then, we're just using the pager and getting her to understand we're shaping the behavior of heel, so. You're not saying anything. We're not saying the word heel, and we're really not requiring. We're only requiring that we don't want the leash made tight. Not that she walk on a particular side or anything. She's learning fast, though. I'm going to be right back and work on the recall.